Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Amazon drain snake. First, prioritize your safety by gathering essential gear like sturdy gloves and eye protection. Before you begin, take a moment to understand the different types of drain snakes available and identify the specific location and nature of your drain clog. This preparation ensures a safe and effective approach to tackling blockages in your plumbing system. Once prepared, carefully insert the drain snake into the affected drain opening. Gently push the snake forward, extending it several feet until you encounter resistance, which indicates the location of the clog. At this point, begin to rotate the snake's handle clockwise and counterclockwise. This action helps the snake's head to either break up the obstruction or securely hook onto it for retrieval. With the clog engaged, slowly and steadily pull the drain snake back out of the pipe, bringing the obstruction with it. If the drain still appears partially blocked, repeat the insertion and rotation process until the water flows freely. Finally, flush the drain thoroughly with hot water for about 1 minute to wash away any remaining debris and ensure the pipe is completely clear. After successfully clearing the clog, it's crucial to clean your drain snake thoroughly with a disinfectant and warm water. This prevents the spread of bacteria and ensures the tool is ready for future use. Store it in a dry, accessible place. To prevent future blockages, consider using drain screens and regularly flushing your drains with hot water, perhaps once every 2 weeks, to maintain clear pipes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.